Yo, bro, come here. Check out my new shoes. They're running 1, 2. Buckle my shoe, 3, 4. Buckle some more, 5, 6. Nike kicks. Oh, that is so fire. Hey guys, it's me again. The last time I did the 1, 2 buckle my shoe, my voice was completely terrible. That's why I'm gonna retry it. Yo, bro, come here. Check out my new shoes. They're brand new. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Oh, that is so fire. This is 1, 2, buckle my shoe, part 3, everyone. Bro, come here. Check out my new shoes. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Oh, that is so fire.
Come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Oh, that is so
Guys, this is the 1, 2 buckle my shoe, part 4.
Yo, bro, come here. Check out my new shoes. They're brand new. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Oh, that is so fire. Hey guys, it's me again, the guy that does the 1, 2 buckle my shoe on NPC channel. And I heard in the comments that you guys wanted me to, sing it again. Well, you wanted me to do that? Well, okay. Well, here it goes. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Oh, that is so fire. Well, I did it for you guys. Well, I guess I'm in public since I did it. Well, I did it for you guys. I hope you liked it.
This guy requested, can you do the 1, 2 buckle my shoe on the train, and I'll subscribe. Okay, let's do it.
Yo, bro, come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4.
This is
buckle
our
some
Flinders
more.
Street Limited
5,
Express
6,
service direct
Nike
to
kicks.
Flinders Street.
Oh, that is so fire. There you go. You get the 1, 2 buckle my shoe on the train. Yo, bro, come here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Buckle some more. 5, 6. Nike kicks. Oh, that is so fire, everyone.
Come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Oh, that is so
This is the 1, 2 buckle my shoe at the bus stop, part 5 or something, I don't know.
Bro, come on here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Buckle some more. 5, 6. Nike kicks. Oh, that is so fire.
This is 1, 2 buckle my shoe, part 6.
Bro, come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Buckle some more. 5, 6. Nike kicks. Oh, that is so fire.